Good morning, everybody. My name is Preeti Vilku. I'm a registered and licensed dietitian, also certified diabetes educator. Today's topic is integrated marketing communication plan for foodie dietitian. This presentation is for APN 720. Below is a little bit information regarding myself. As you can see, currently I'm enrolled in Masters of Science in Applied Nutrition with University of New England, and my expected graduation date is April 2019. Objectives of this presentation, along with the complete IMC plan for the foodie dietitian, we will also discuss the need to invest in the foodie dietitian company. So let's get started. Rate of obesity in adults according to CDC in 2015 and 16 was 40%, which adds up to almost 93 million US adults. College students are also at a high risk to gain more weight first 1 year of college. And according to CDC, the healthcare cost in 2008 was $147 billion, people with obesity. And obesity also put adults at a high risk for diabetes, heart diseases, cancer, depression, anxiety, and foodie dietitian can be one-stop shop for these college students where they can find all nutrition related information. Either it's evidence-based articles, small, easy to read and understand blogs, recipes, and anything that they need to be on track with their healthy eating. What is the vision of the foodie dietitian? Like I said, this is for college students, and the vision for foodie dietitian is to help these college students be healthy one meal at a time. Our mission is to reach a large college age audience to help maximize their healthy eating habits with easy and cost-effective options to easy, available, unhealthy alternatives. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Some of the strengths that foodie dietitian holds is a financial strength, experience management, personal connection, variety on blogs and articles on healthy recipes. Since foodie dietitian is a new online business, it understands that it has a limited online exposure and lacking sufficient online marketing skills. Currently not active on any online social media platform. So those are considered weakness. Opportunities. College students are the biggest consumers for various social media platforms. This creates an opportunity for the foodie dietitian to use various social media platforms used by the target audience of college students. College students or target audience, they are spectators, they are critics and collectors. So foodie dietitians will use all those opportunities to create brand awareness. Whereas threats goes, foodie dietitian also understand the competition in the market, whereas other dietitians who have already established their business. As far as not keeping up with the technology changes in regard to the interest of target audience, as well not taking feedback into consideration to make changes on the website, changes as well. We all know the transition period from high school to college is can be very stressful, and this is when these young adults are living on their own, and they are at a high risk for developing unhealthy eating habits. Research shows college students are 5 times at a high risk to gain more weight within the first year of college due to not eating fruits and vegetables, eating out a lot, eating a lot of prepackaged food, not being physically active, skipping meal, overeating, and also due to the consumption of alcohol. 85% of all adults are very active on social media, and research shows that college students are among the most active users of a social media platform. Since these college students, the learning from social media is a second nature, Foodie Diet will use that to its advantage to create brand awareness by posting various nutrition related articles and blogs. There are so many challenges also that college students face that prevents them from eating healthy, such as eating healthy can be costly, busy schedule, not having time to cook, not having facility to cook, and also being socialized with friends, which always include eating out and a consumption of alcohol. There are so many goals that Foodie Dietitian has in mind, but we will talk about the main 3 goals for this IMC plan, which is 6 months. The goal, we want to make sure that they are SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. The first goal for Foodie Dietitian is to increase the traffic for the website and reach 600 visitors by June 30th, 2020, which is the time frame for Foodie Dietitian's IMC plan. A second goal is minimum 100 likes on each article posted every week for the first month, with additional increase in likes by 50% on article posted on the website, with a total of 800 likes by the end of IMC plan. And third and last goal for Foodie Dietitian's website is to go from 0 to 60 subscribers in the first month, with the growth of new subscriber by 50% per month. After that, for the rest of the IMC plan, which is total of 6 months, with a total of 400 subscriber by the end of June 30th, 2020. 3 social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube will be used by Foodie Dietitian to promote and create brand awareness. By 2015, Facebook has grown to 900 million users. And 82% of Facebook users are college students, whereas Instagram is the largest second social media platform used by college students. It has 300 million monthly users. And it makes it so convenient for Foodie Dietitian to use those platform to target college students and also to create brand awareness. As I mentioned, the 94% of YouTube users are between the ages of 19 and 24, which is the target population for Foodie Dietitian, making it a perfect platform to create brand awareness as well. YouTube will be used mainly to post videos of recipes, which will be recipes of vegetarian, vegan, non-veg, cooked or no-cook meals, and snacks options. So all these platforms will be used to target college students, and hopefully by creating the brand awareness, they will go on Foodie Dietitian's website to gain more information regarding how to eat healthy. Timeline and monitoring plan for the Foodie Dietitian will be 6 months long, and content will be posted on Foodie Dietitian's Facebook page once a week between the hours of 12 to 1 p.m. on Thursday, as well Sunday between 12 a.m. and 1 p.m. On Instagram, again, it will be posted either on Thursday between 1 to 2 p.m. or Monday between 8 to 9 a.m. Blogs will be posted twice a month, either on Tuesday or Wednesday between 12 to 1 p.m. or Sunday between 10 and 11 p.m. YouTube videos will be posted bi-weekly to highlight Foodie Dietitian's services and products, along with recipes for various meals and snacks for the target audience. Link will also be posted on Foodie Dietitian's website, again to create brand awareness. Budget for the Foodie Dietitian, it's self-explanatory. I have laid out a monthly cost as well as a 6-month cost. The website will be $27 per month, which will provide unlimited bandwidth, 35 gigabytes of storage, 10 hours of video storage, and free domain name for 1 year. It will also provide visitor analytics and a professional logo. Hootsuite, this will cost Foodie Dietitian $30 per month and will include services such as automatic schedule post, along with will provide snapshot of a key Facebook and Instagram activity to track trends and measure growth and monitoring. MailChimp, again, is $10 a month, which will target and connect the audience at the right time and the right place, using variety of tools, including email, landing pages, sign-up forms also. Content development for the Foodie Dietitian includes writing articles and blogs, which will be 500 words each. And the cost for it was calculated based on 25 cents per word, which adds up to $250 per week and $1,000 per month. IMC implementation was the calculated based on $100 per hour, and that adds up to $8,000 per month. Both content development and IMC implementation cost can be absorbed by the owner until the company start creating positive revenue. Return on investment for the foodie dietitian will be evaluated whether its marketing goals for the duration of IMC plan has been reached. Take-home message is that foodie dietitian can be very beneficial for both college student and for its investors. Thank you so much.